On 15th of September, over 1,300 pending cases were dismissed at Hamren District Judiciary Court on the day of inauguration. In order to safeguard the rights of the individual, settle disputes in accordance with the law and ensures that democracy does not give way to individual or group dictatorship, judiciary courts are set up in all the districts. Likewise, on 15 September, District Judiciary Court was inaugurated at Hamren, headquarters of West Karbi Anglong District. Justice Achintya Mala Pujor Barua attended as the chief guest and inaugurated the District Judiciary Court. It was informed that as many as 1,300 long-pending cases were dismissed on the day of inauguration itself.
It gives me a great pleasure to be here today. Pleasure, I come to a beautiful place with beautiful people, and I am going to stand now. Secondly, I come here to inaugurate the District Judiciary.
On this inauguration ceremony, Justice Achintya Mala Pujor Barua attended as the chief guest. Justice Malasri Nandi, Prabhat Chandra Taro, EM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Rup Singh Taron, MLA, Het Singh Rongpar, MSc, and several important dignitaries attended the event. Daniel Inghis report from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live.